Tingnan sa 3.
Ay, 3, sir. Man shall not
Lagi na minaw ba?
bread alone.
3 verses.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
Ano na? Saan
Zero ko na, sir.
Ay. I told you, di ba nga magkuhan? Saan nga verse? Uy, yung sa ini ni mo, BX. I'm hungry.
Ay, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Psalm 23, verse 1.
11. Verse 1, 11.
1.
Oh, next. Katulo.
Katuloy.
How about you, Chris? What are you doing? What's up? What's up? Okay, next.
Teacher. Wala pa ko. Kailangan ko isa.
Pinapagdali.
I'll give you. Hurry up. Wait.
Magdali na. Muna gini siya. Magpabida-bida ang una na yun.
Children, obey your parents, for this pleases the Lord. Ephesians 6, verse 1. The Lord will fight for you. You only need to be still. Exodus 14, verse
The Lord is my shepherd.
And the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. 23.
Psalms
23, verse 1. Yes, right. Ako, sir. Sir, mana si Gise?
Wala pa.
Sir, ako. Wow, 30! Sir, ako, sir. Ilang ako, sir?
Ay, dali.
My Hebrews 4, verse 12. 4, verse 12. For the word of God is alive and active. Matthew 4, verse 4. Man shall not live on bread alone, but on every word comes from the mouth of
Zero.
the God, mouth of the Lord.
Sige na, lugar na ko. Try mo time.
The mouth of God.
Tomorrow na lagi.
4, verse 4. Na the Lord, Psalms 12, verse 6. The words of God is the words of the Lord is flawless.
Tulo na?
Oh. But on every word.
Okay. That's one. My life earlier. Ina, next.
Let's go!
Next. Where are you from, my panda? And what's your name? And why are you laughing?
Sure.
Yeah.
Shabu, Shishi. Pan. Hebrews 4, verse 12. Man? No. For the word of God is alive and active.
Mm.